Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm Carrie Scharf, and today we're talking about something that so many women over 40 struggle with, mistakes we make in our skincare routines without even realizing it. If your skin has been feeling drier, duller, or more sensitive than it used to, you might be making one of these mistakes. But don't worry, I'm not just here to point out problems. I'll also share simple, natural fixes, plus 2 easy DIY recipes, a nourishing facial oil to restore hydration, and a gentle homemade sunscreen to help protect your skin. And before we dive in, I've created a special freebie for you, the 3-day DIY skincare reset for mature skin, a guide to help you build a routine that is moisturizing and rejuvenating for your skin. You can grab it at the link in the show notes. All right, let's get into it. First up, overexfoliating. So many of us think that scrubbing harder or using strong acids will make our skin smoother and more youthful. But as we age, our skin becomes thinner and more prone to irritation. If you're using a rough scrub or exfoliating more than twice a week, you might actually be damaging your skin barrier, leading to dryness, redness, and even breakouts. The fix is to switch to gentle exfoliation 1 to 2 times per week. Try natural exfoliants like oatmeal, blended into a fine powder and mixed with honey for a soothing scrub. Raw honey has natural enzymes that lightly exfoliate, and clay masks like pink or white kaolin clay detoxify without stripping the skin. Your skin should feel refreshed after exfoliating, not tight or irritated. Next, skipping hydration and moisture. This is a big one. As we age, our skin produces less oil, which can leave it feeling dry, tight, and more prone to fine lines. Many people focus on anti-aging serums, but forget that mature skin needs deep hydration first. The fix is to layer hydration. Start with a hydrosol. Rose or chamomile hydrosol is perfect for refreshing and prepping your skin. Follow with a nourishing facial oil, and I've got a wonderful DIY recipe for you. To make this hydrating facial oil for mature skin, you'll need 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, 5 drops of frankincense essential oil, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. After cleansing, mist your face with a hydrosol, then apply 3 to 5 drops of this facial oil while your skin is still damp. Massage in gently for deep nourishment. Your skin will feel softer, more supple, and glow with hydration. Another common mistake, using the same skincare routine from your 20s and 30s. A lot of us stick to the same products we used in our younger years, maybe a foaming cleanser, a lightweight moisturizer, or even acne treatments. But mature skin has different needs. The fix is to make the switch to gentle, creamy cleansers instead of harsh foaming ones. Choose moisturizing toners like chamomile or rose instead of alcohol-based ones, and opt for richer facial oils with anti-aging benefits like rosehip and pomegranate seed oil. It's all about feeding your skin with the nourishment it needs today, not what it needed decades ago. Now let's talk about ignoring sun protection. This is one of the biggest culprits of premature aging. Sun damage leads to fine lines, hyperpigmentation, and loss of elasticity. And while we may have skipped SPF in our 20s, now is the time to protect our skin daily. The fix is to use a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide, which provides broad-spectrum protection without harmful chemicals. For those who love DIY skincare, I've got a simple homemade sunscreen recipe for you. You'll need 1/4 cup of shea butter, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide, 5 drops of carrot seed oil, and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil together using a double boiler, then remove from heat and stir in zinc oxide and essential oils. Let it cool, then store in a jar. Apply a thin layer before sun exposure. This sunscreen is perfect for daily wear and nourishes your skin while protecting it. Lastly, neglecting internal and lifestyle factors. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what's happening inside your body. Stress, dehydration, and diet play a huge role in how our skin looks and feels. The fix is to focus on hydration by drinking plenty of water and herbal teas. Make sure you're getting healthy fats by eating more avocados, nuts, and olive oil to keep skin plump and soft. And practice relaxation. Stress shows up on your skin, so taking time for self-care is essential. A simple morning ritual, drinking a glass of water with lemon, misting your face with rose hydrosol, and massaging in your facial oil, can work wonders for your skin and mood. All right, let's recap. Exfoliate gently. Keep your skin deeply hydrated. Adjust your skincare routine to your skin's current needs. Wear sun protection every day, and nourish your skin from the inside out. And don't forget to grab your free 3-day DIY skincare reset for mature skin in the show notes. Thank you for listening to Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm Carrie Scharf. Join us next time for more tips and tricks for living naturally and beautifully. Until then, take care.